Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the fifth question in exercise 5.2. Differentiate x power log x plus log x the whole power x. Remember the rules of differentiation. If there are two terms, I can differentiate this separately and this separately and add up the solution. So I'm going to refer to this particular term with the variable u. So u is equal to x power log x. And I'm going to refer the next term as v. So log x the whole power x as v. Now I'm going to differentiate u separately and v separately and put a plus sign in the middle. So let's start with the differentiation of u. So u is equal to x power log x. I'm going to take logarithm on both sides. So take log. So this will become log u is equal to log x into log x. Why? Because log of x power log x is log x into log x. Log of a power m is m log a. Now let's do the differentiation. So this side it will become 1 by u du by dx is equal to, now u is log x and v is another log x. So u v dash. So log x into 1 by x, I'm writing it like this, plus v u dash. So again a log x by another x. So I can simplify this as 1 by u du by dx is equal to 2 log x by x. So du by dx is equal to u into 2 log x by x. Now I'm going to replace u with the expression that is needed. So this is going to be x power log x into 2 log x by x. So that is the differentiation of this particular term. So I'm going to note it here separately. X power log x into 2 log x by x. Now let's differentiate this v term so that you can combine the answer and write it again. So now let's take v. V is equal to log x the whole power x. So v is equal to log x the whole power x. I'm going to take log on both sides. So taking log this side. So it is log v is equal to x log of log x. So here this is a power m, so m log a itself is log x, so log of log x. Now let's do the differentiation. So it is 1 by v dv by dx is equal to, now x is u, log of log x is v, so u v dash. So u into v dash is 1 by log x, again a differentiation of log x, so it is 1 by x plus v u dash. U dash is 1, so I can simply write this as log of log x. Now I'm going to simplify this term, so this will get cancelled. So it is 1 by log x plus log x. This is nothing but 1 by v dv by dx. Now we need v, so which is, sorry, dv by dx. So dv by dx is v into this particular expression, which is log x the whole power x into 1 by log x plus log x. Now that we have differentiated u's and v terms separately, let's know the final answer is going to be just the addition of these two expressions. So let us write out the final answer. This is nothing but x log x, x power log x into 2 log x by x plus log x the whole power x into 1 by log x plus log of log x. This is the final answer for the differentiation function. So you just add up these two terms. You can leave, there is no need to do simplification, LCM, etc. So this can be left as the final answer. In the next video, we will see solution to the question 6 in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.